fireworks? So we're here tonight to celebrate not just our independence as a country, but we're also here to celebrate 60 years in the City of Downey. So let's give a round of applause for 60 great years here in the city. We're happy to have all of you here today and celebrate America and Downey, and it's going to be a fun and historic night. But before we get started, we do want to welcome Gabby Poveda to sing the national anthem. Gabby?
You gotta stand right? You're supposed to stand for the national anthem.
Yeah, but I can.
Please stand.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose brows rise